Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Goldman Sachs step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial situation. Gather all income sources, including salary, side jobs, and passive income. List your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Next, identify variable expenses, which may include groceries, entertainment, and travel. Use a budgeting tool or spreadsheet for organization. Input your total income at the top of the document. Under income, create separate rows for each income source. Summarize your fixed expenses below your income section. Create rows for each fixed expense, listing the amount you pay monthly. Now, move on to variable expenses. List typical categories for your variable expenses. Estimate monthly amounts for each category based on past spending. Add all expenses together to find your total monthly expenditure. Subtract the total expenses from your total income to determine your net income. If your net income is positive, you have funds to allocate for savings or investments. If it's negative, review your expenses for potential cuts. Now, establish clear financial goals. Decide on short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation. Consider long-term goals, like retirement savings or a home purchase. Allocate a portion of your net income towards these goals. Review your budget regularly to make adjustments as needed. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. This recommends spending 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. Track your spending weekly to stay accountable. Use financial apps or tools recommended by Goldman Sachs for tracking. Set reminders to revisit your budget monthly. Stay disciplined and avoid impulse purchases. Seek advice from a financial advisor if needed for complex situations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.